Welcome to the Raeva show. It's raining. It's raining. It's pouring. It's macaroni. Mine says the old man is snoring. He went to. Do you know this?
No, but from your face I can gather where it went.
He dies.
Oh.
He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. Summer. We're singing in the rain.
Go.
Go sing, go. Do it.
We're singing the rain.
Oh.
Singing in the rain.
I'll do it. Yes!
What a glorious feeling. I'm the luckiest one. Singing in the rain.
Yeah! Pretty sure one of the guys in our house was in that white van. In the orange shirt. Can I go in the rain?
Yeah. You want me to take a video?
It's on the video. Oh, I was like, I don't want to take my Just stand in the camera.
What are you doing in the rain?
Feels good. It does.
It's really wet though.
These are some big old rain droplets. Like,
Oh, you want me to
come out.
Okay.
But outside, I want to leave everything if there's other people in it.
Oh, that's fine.
My bag is wet.
This bag is different than this one. This is kind of waterproof. Well,
My
not quite
bag?
waterproof.
That is. Okay, bye.
Who wrote the book? Do we have a band? I don't know. Tell me. Who wrote the book? Oh. I'm so wet. Okay. I'm just wet at this point. It's just what it's gonna be today. I can see the little raindrops in my head.
Yeah.
Like if you didn't know any better, you would think I was sweating, but it's literally just this rain.
If you didn't know any better,
You see like the rain
No, I was
falling
sweating.
from your my neck. It's so
Yeah.
funny.
water.
I don't know if I should know this, but this rain is not as salty as the rain in the US.
You taste salt when you have rain in your house?
Yeah, am I the only one that tastes salt in the rain?
I don't taste salt in the rain.
Yeah.
We are much near to the ocean, so that actually doesn't make sense.
Yeah. Also, did you see the guy come? There was a guy that came out with the umbrella.
Probably saw some. Oh, or was he just watching? Probably in the hotel.
Yeah, from this hotel that we're standing in front
They
of.
don't want to be helped.
Yeah, don't save us. You don't want to be saved. Don't save us. But he was very kind. Real trooper. Trooper, lights are gonna
Anything
shine.
else to say?
No.
I love the rain. I want to shout out to Levi because we used to dance in the rain all the time when we were younger. We would put on our swimsuits when it rained and we'd go dance in the rain.
Yeah,
Or like run around. Shout out. Shout out.
Ow.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Yeah.
We'll see you soon on
Raeva
Dominican International. Raeva International.